Hi guys, so Sugar Cosmetics just launched their new Blender Rules eyeshadow palettes. There are 4 palettes in total and these are priced at rupees 1199 each for 10.4 grams. There are 8 shades in total, so each shade is 1.3 grams, and this is the first palette which is a warm neutrals one. This is the second palette, which is the smoky palette. This is the third palette called Fantasy, which is mauves, and this is the fourth palette, which is called Fetish and is a mix of nudes. So as you can see, 01 has warm neutrals kind of shades, and it's a good everyday palette. 02 Warrior is a day to night palette. It has both warm toned and little bit of cool tone shades. Every palette has 3 mattes and 5 shimmery metallic shades. This is my favorite palette, Fantasy Mauve 1, and I'm not swatching the fourth one because I'm giving that away. More details at the end of the video. So I'm taking all the 3 matte shades, the first lighter one all over the lid as a wash of color, and the second mid-tone pink shade in the outer corner, defining the outer corner, and I'll also be taking it on the lower lash line and connecting. I wish they had more matte shades also, like 4 would have been good. There are less mattes and more shimmery shades. I think it should have been like an equal balance, but the shades are really nice and pigmented, and especially the metallic ones are like really nice. Even the matte ones are super silky and soft. Comparing it to the previous palette, I think the previous palette quality was slightly better, but even this is like pretty good. And then I'm taking this shimmery shade and using it all over the lid as a wash of color. Now I tried using it with a brush, but then I switched to my finger because these shades work best with fingers, and yeah, as you can see, the intensity is like double. And then I'm taking another metallic coppery shade for my inner corners and connecting both the shades together. I literally did this look in like 2-3 minutes. It was super easy, and the shades are pretty pigmented, so it was easy and quick to work with. It didn't take a lot of time, and I didn't do any liner or anything. I tried using falsies, but the inner corner were giving me problems, and then I just blended everything together again with the lightest shade to just like make it seamless. I just curled my lashes and applied loads of mascara on both my upper and lower lashes, and that's about it. It's easy peasy look, and I really like these palettes. They get a thumbs up from me. And yeah, let me know your favorite palette in the comments down below, and I'm giving this fourth palette to one winner. More details in the info box below, so do check that out, and also on my Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.